Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
thank you for being here today. And today I will be discussing presentation report on the thematic circle. First of all, my name is Alif Nugroho and I am discussion leader.
My name is Ahmad Alfa Kamal. I am role summarizer.
My name is Ezra Bakautsar and my role is connector.
My name is Muhammad Tirta Saputra and my role is Terminator.
My name is Muhammad Faikindarto. My name is Illustrator.
Oke, langsung pertanyaan ya. Untuk namanya, how does the text explore the theme of intergenerational conflict and differing vision for the future? Oke, itu pertanyaannya. Boleh, Pak Rizal?
Number one, intergenerational conflict. Jack's father had traditional views on how to run the family business, but out using social media. In contrast, Jack sees the potential of social media as an important promotional tool to attack the attraction of new customer. Number two, different visions for the future. Jack's father expects Jack to take over the family business one day and run it according to family tradition. This can be seen from his father dialogue, which shows that he hopes Jack can run the business in the same way as those. 3. Family expectations and pressures. Jack feels pressure from his father expectations to stay and run the family business. He felt that the role was predetermined for him from the start with due regard to his own desires. Next.
Oke, next.
Okay, in my opinion, the conflict between generation and vision of the future is very visible in this text. The way this text explores these two things is by telling the story of the main character who sees the potential to run a business through social media. But his father seems to disagree and wants to run the business through traditional means. Jack also received pressure from his father to continue running the family business in the same way his father did. Next.
Okay, in my opinion, Tweet Good by Emma Lord effectively showcased intergenerational conflict through Jack and his father. Jack's father values traditional business methods, while Jack sees social media as essential for modern success. This class highlights differing future vision and the tension between maintaining tradition and embracing innovation. Additionally, the pressure on Jack to follow family expectation despite his own ambition add depth to this conflict. That's for me. And next.
Okay, my opinion, the text depicts an intergeneration conflict between Jack and his parents regarding the future vision for the family business. Jack's father wants to maintain traditional method, while Jack sees the potential of social media to advance the business. Jack also faces internal pressure between meeting his family's expectation and pursuing his own ambition. This conflict reflects the challenge of balancing family tradition with modern innovation. Oke,
Oke. Sekarang yang tugas masing-masingnya ya, dari Sumarizal dulu.
This text is part of a story that describes the life of a teenager working in his family daily stations in New Rock. Sorry. The protagonist feels trapped between his parents' expectations and his own desire to create something meaningful, namely a social media app. He often helps out at the delicatessens where he is known by many regular customers. Although his parents seem to expect him and his twin brother Ethan to take over the story in the future. The conflict in the story areas when the father reprimands the protagonist for a tweet and caused trouble, adding pressures to the protagonist who already feels burdened by family expectations. Next.
Okay, next, I'm as an connector. This text has a connection with teenager experience. There are many cases where teenagers people today have a different point of view from their parents. They have their own way for their future, especially with current technology. Many of them do not share the same opinion as their parents because their parents still use traditional methods and do not understand current technology. Therefore, many of them experience pressure due to differences in viewpoints and feel tied to what their parent wants. Thank you. Next.
Oke, um, from Terminator, I will explain some words. Intergenerational conflict. Penjelasannya itu adalah konflik antar generasi yang terjadi karena perbedaan nilai, pandangan, dan pendekatan terhadap kehidupan antara generasi tua dan muda. Dalam tweet cute, ini terlihat melalui perbedaan pandangan antara Jack dan ayahnya mengenai cara terbaik untuk menjalankan bisnis keluarga. Yang kedua, ada traditional values, yaitu nilai-nilai yang dipegang teguh oleh generasi sebelumnya dan seringkali berakar pada praktik yang telah berlangsung lama. Ayah Jack menekankan pentingnya menjaga cara-cara tradisional dalam menjalankan daily keluarga tanpa terlalu mengandalkan teknologi modern seperti sosial media. Yang ketiga, ada modern innovation, yaitu pendekatan baru dan kreatif yang mengadopsi teknologi atau ide-ide terkini untuk mencapai tujuan. Jack percaya bahwa menggunakan media sosial bisa mempromosikan daily mereka lebih efektif dan membantu keluar dari kesulitan finansial. Yang keempat, ada familial expectation, yaitu harapan keluarga yang seringkali dipaksakan pada anggota keluarga, khususnya anak-anak, untuk melanjutkan tradisi atau tanggung jawab tertentu. Ayah Jack mengharapkan Jack untuk mengambil alih daily keluarga di masa depan, meskipun mungkin tidak sesuai dengan keinginan pribadi Jack. Yang kelima, ada social media influence. Penjelasannya berupa dampak dan kekuatan yang dimiliki platform media sosial dalam membentuk opini publik dan mempromosikan bisnis. Jack melihat media sosial sebagai alat yang sangat potensial untuk meningkatkan profil dan keberhasilan daily keluarga mereka. Yang terakhir ada community connection, yaitu hubungan dan jaringan yang terbentuk dalam suatu komunitas yang dapat mendukung dan menopang bisnis lokal. Ayah Jack percaya bahwa komunitas yang kuat dan saling mendukung adalah kunci keberhasilan bisnis mereka, seperti yang telah terjadi selama 60 tahun terakhir. That's it for me, and next.
Oke, saya sebagai ilustrator ingin share screen. Izin share screen gambar saya. Kelihatan nggak?
Udah kelihatan.
Okay. The picture tells the story of Jack who was punished to work as a cashier because of a controversial tweet he made to promote his family's business. Because his father did not understand the importance of media sosial. Oke, segitu saja. Sekian.
Okay, this concludes presentation for today. Apologies for any shortcomings or mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.